Well, class, we've now come to the end of our 8 weeks of creative writing. What have we done this whole semester, this term? Well, we've talked about we've written about characters. We've done characterization, character characterization. You have written about yourself. You've written about things that have happened to you. We've done nonfiction, we've done fiction, we've done some poetry. Hopefully all of this just expands your mind and gives you confidence in your writing and your writing ability. You may not ever write another story again, but perhaps you'll write a letter to the newspaper or maybe a blog. Perhaps you'll write a report in whatever career path that you take. No matter what, it's really good to have a lot of these skills. Why? Because it makes you a better rounded person. Now, our last assignment, which is the Week 8 project. It's sort of a interesting project because you get to do whatever you want. You can set this up as a short story. You need to write about 350 to 500 words. That's about 1.5 to 2 screens of Word. And in this particular project, you're going to choose one of the 10 prompts that I provided for you. Now, each of those prompts has 3 things in it. And the trick is, pick one of the prompts, and then those 3 things that are listed in that prompt that you've chosen, you must include in either a short story, or you can do it as a 1-act play. Just make sure that you pay attention to the word count. Not only that, make sure that you develop your characters. You don't want flat characters. You want them to actually be involved with whatever those 3 things that you've chosen. Not only that, make sure you provide a title. And the title should be woven around the 3 things that are in the prompt that you chose. Okay, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm available to help out. Make sure that you get this submitted by Sunday evening. I'll be doing grading on Monday. So have a great time with this. Have fun. Bye-bye for now. And it has been an honor to be your instructor this term. Good luck next term. Bye-bye.